Okay. Um, Hello. Welcome once again to my channel. All right. So today we'll be just doing a very simple task. Basically, working on sheet metal, and we'll just look at how to flatten a cylinder, cone, and okay. So create a new component. Um, Whether you pick sheet metal or you pick standard, I don't think if it matters. Let's just click sheet metal still. So things no matter how you create it, it forms a solid body and you still get to convertible sheet metal. So let's start with the rubber cylinder. And for you to do this, create a circle. Let's say we want to do 400. Okay, let's do 200. 200 remember, yeah, with a thickness of I'll use grammar. So 3 mm thickness. Next thing I'll do is you can extrude and then split. Yeah, I'll just split here on with you can see why my sketch mode. Since it's 3 mm, let's see what happens if I make it 2 mm. Not sure if it's all quite sharp. No, let's extrude to a distance of 150. 150. Okay. Now for you to be able to flatten this, you still need a flat section. You still need a flat section. Certainly there's a flat section. Let's say one sure. Now sheet metal rule. Okay, before that, you see it's in a body format, it's not in sheet metal format. So we have to convert it to sheet metal. It's gonna ask you for a stationary face. If it wouldn't work, it won't pick this face. That's one thing you should know. So once the face is unselectable, then something is wrong. Um, should work. It's on it. It's fine. Anyway, so it's in a sheet metal format. Now we get to flatten it. So create flat pattern. Okay, this is where I meant actually. It won't work if you won't even be able to select a face if it's not correct. You can select our face here. Uh, there you go. This is a flat length. Okay. Alright, so that's for flat shape. Okay. Let's create another component. New component. We didn't really get to adjust the sheet metal, but let's see. Okay, sheet metal convert. That's what's a 3 mm thick. So this time let's do for a cone, and that of a cone create sketch, create front plane. None of the times I usually get it. I don't know. But there's a construction line. Okay. But, let's go. I have this as my dream to was click on the first line here. Yeah, from three. Let's just put the dimensions in this. We're still using this. This is 5 now. This is 7. Different thickness. Okay. Meet at the height of 650. Alright. The angle the cone makes, let's say 60 degrees. It's not fully defined yet. Oh, let me see. Okay, down cone. Okay. So let's see. So, 35 so much. What to give it 300. Alright, fully defined. What do we do? In this case, where's my axis? Now he's fully 360 out. Please. Look, you can do 360, you put it in between, maybe 1 mm difference or 2 parts. Do 359. It mustn't be complete because obviously in real life, if you want to make a cone, you're not going to get it from a full website. But if you want to make a cone, there's a flat sheet, it gets bent around and weld it in between. So it's not really going to be 360. Now, you have to extrude this, let's say, whatever is fine. I could say everything I remove to 359.5, 359.5. It's 9. Okay, the 9 is too much to separate. 9.5. Good. Now, if you observe, it's still a body, it's not a sheet metal. So we have to convert to sheet metal. Most of the times I observe for cold surfaces, you can't easily create them. I don't know if a sheet metal does not have both. If there's another way, let me know in the comment section. That's what I think of. Okay. Yeah, guys, here's my. This may be 359. It's fine. Okay, so maybe because it doesn't have the full sheet metal, that's why. So convert to sheet metal, select source, see, very selectable. So it's on sheet metal. What's our sheet metal rule here? The previous one was 5. No, this one. This is 5. You can see I'm using the thickness of 5. Previous one was 3, yeah. This should be 5. I'm not believe so. Let's see here. I don't know which one is activated. I think the second one is, I think, anyway, let's flatten it so we'll see. A great flat pattern. Always selected. Always selected. So, there we go. Okay, so this is for this. Um, I didn't get this one, but I don't know if it's Remake 2. Now we thought one we'll try. To get an issue with it though, but let's just see. Alright, so let's see. You create a new component again. I have no shit about that. Yeah, never mind. Okay. This time I'll create and I created this one in it's a rectangle. This is the center rectangle. 850 the back. Make this make it same 7500. Okay. What is the not specifying the laptop of exchange? Yep. This not a 400. Next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna shout. Also use a different signal, so say 2 here. Hmm. Not at 2 different shape like that. What's the next thing? I'm not moving. Yeah, let's just try to rip 2 anyway, but for us to try it again, being a command under sheet metal, yeah, you have to um convert sheet metal first. So it's still money. The sheet metal, convert sheet metal, select source, always click it. Very important. So detected. It's not a sheet metal. So for it to flatten this, definitely it's not even gonna be flat. There are no lines. Oh, I just want to see. Let's see what happens if I try to replace this. Okay, I'm selecting that midpoint. Ah, this is what I'm talking about. It's on this over and over. I'm gonna stop. I'm gonna get rid of this. Anyway, so that's it. If you know how to use the rip tool, let me know if you have a video I can watch how to use it. About. Even if I was able to rip it through, it wouldn't work because I have to bend here. So let me go back and introduce a bend and do its combination. This let's create fillets. Fillets here too. Right. It's 2 take. Let's select any filters. This is the edges. Okay, so I'll make it very generous radius. They're 5 inches wide. This one up. Very generous radius of let's say 10. 15. Okay, I can oversize it small, but that's good. Make it 50. Okay. It's all nice. So now you show it. You know, in and out. So now next thing I'm gonna do is this ribbon. Okay. First I have to convert to sheet metal. Still same way you did convert. Now to sheet metal. So what am I going to do? I make it flattened. And this is what I get to do. What my sheet metal? So you can change it to whenever you want. So say stainless steel to yeah. So stainless steel to Okay. Now this. Yeah, this. No, stainless steel. Yeah, it's good. Anyway, that's good. That's why sheet metal. I agree. There's an inches. I don't want any inches. Yeah. Okay. Thank you. I'm trying to put in. Right down. Thickness. I think one of them is just fine. That's the slice of truth. Okay. What do we do now? Sheet metal. Flat pattern. I hope this works. Fix. Yeah. Alright. So there we go. Great. Alright, that's it from here. Thank you very much. And if you know how to use the ribbed, free in the comment section. Alright, thank you everyone.